Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. With the name of Allah, who is very kind and merciful. Welcome to KingCambridgeSolution.com. On this website, you will find the solution of past paper solution for the Cambridge International AS and A level. Today, I shall explain some question of Paper 1, Pure Mathematics, Session May, June 2025. Paper 1, Variant 2. So let's start for the question number 1 of May, June 2025. The diagram shows the graph with the equation y equal to f of x and y equal to g of x. Describe fully a sequence of two transformation which transform the graph of y equal to f of x to the graph of y equal to g of x. Make clear the order in which the transformation should apply. In other words, we shall explain the transformation so that our graph y equal to f of x becomes the graph of y equal to g of x, as you can see on the screen. So first of all, if you check that the graph is stretched by two factor, it's become double in the graph of g of x. So the stretch by two factor, as you can see on the screen, and after that it's move along the y-axis. The second transformation is the parallel to the y-axis. For the question number 2, find the coordinate as a point of intersection of the curve and the line with the equation 2xy plus 5y square equal to 24 and 2x plus y plus 4 equal to 0. For the question number 3, the coefficient of x7 in the expansion of pxk plus 4 over px whole raised by 5 is 1280. Find the value of the constant p. For the question number 4, a point P moves along the curve with the equation y equal to a x0 3 by 2 minus 12x in such a way that the x coordinate of the P is increasing at a constant rate of 5 units per second. Part A, find the rate at which the y coordinates of P is changing with x when x equal to 9. Give your answer in terms of constant A. For part B, give that the curve has a minimum point when x equal to 1 by 4. Find the value of A. So in this case, for the question number 5, the equation of the curve y equal to 4 cos 2x plus 3 for 0 less than x, x less than 2 pi. State the greatest and least possible value of y. Part B, sketch the curve. Part C, hence determine the number of solution of the equation 4 cos 2x plus 3 equal to 2x minus 1 for 0 less than equal to x, x less than equal to 2 pi. For the question number 6, the diagram shows the curve with the equation y equal to 9 over 5x plus 4 whole is by 1 by 2 and the line y equal to 6 minus 4x. The line and the curve intersect at point P which has y coordinate 3. Find the area of the shaded region. Find the area of the shaded region. For question number 7, prove that identity tan theta plus 7 over tan square theta minus 3 equal to sin theta cos theta plus 7 cos square theta over 1 minus cos square theta. For part B, prove the identity 7 theta cos theta plus 7 cos square theta over 1 minus 4 cos square theta equal to 5 over tan theta for 0 less than theta, theta less than 180. For the question number 8, as you see the diagram of the circle, the diagram shows the circle with x square plus y square minus 14x plus 8y plus 36 equal to 0 and the line y equal to minus 2. The line intersects the circle at point A and B. The center of the circle is C. Find the coordinate of A, B, C. For part C, find the angle ACB in radian. Give your answer correct to the 3 decimal significant figures. Part C, the chord AB divides the circle in 2 segments. Find the area of the larger segment. For question number 9, the equation of the curve is such that d square y over dx square equal to minus 24 over x cube. It is given that the curve has a stationary point at minus 290. Find part A, find an expression for dy over dx. For part B, find x coordinate of the stationary point of the curve and determine the nature of this point. Part Z, find the equation of the curve. Part C, find the equation of normal to the curve at the point where dy over dx equal to minus 9 over 4. And x is positive. Express your answer in the form of px plus qy plus r equal to 0, where p, q, r are integer. For the question number 10, the first, second, and third terms of the arithmetic progression are 4k, k square, and 8k respectively, where k is the non-zero constant. First, find the value of k. Second, find the sum of the first 20 terms of the progression. For part B, the fourth and sixth term of the geometric progression are 36 and 6 respectively. Common ratio of the progression is positive. Find the sum to infinity of the progression. Give your answer in the form a over b under root minus c, where a, b, c are constant. The last question is question number 11. Express x square plus 4x plus 2 in the form of x plus a whole square plus b, where a, b, c are constant. The function f and g are defined as f of x equal to x square plus 4x plus 2 for x less than equal to minus 2, g of x equal to minus x minus 4 for x greater equal to minus 2. Part B, Part B, find an expression for f inverse x. Part B is, second is g of f inverse x of f. We shall find g f inverse x in part B of second part. In order to find out the solution of all the question, as I have discussed in the start, we need to first of all log into the open the URL kingcambrasolution.com. After that, you will click on the login register. When you click on the login register, you will find this interface. Provide your username, password, and after that you will click on the sign up button. After that, you will be automatically sign up. You can log in to the website. In step 3, when you click on the sign up, this interface will become. You will fill the field with your email address and password as well and click on the sign up. Now you will sign up, log in the field automatically. When you log in, or you can log in manually on the website. When after log into the website, you will go to the course section, click on the course list. When you click on the course list, you will find all the courses on the website. There are many courses about the A level and O level mathematics and computer science. So in this case, you will click on the categories in which category you want to find out the courses. In my case, I am selecting the P1. So when you click on the P1, you will find all the courses. So after that, on the courses, you will see a preview pre-course button. When you click on the pre-course, you will find this interface. First of all, you will click on the add to the cart. When you click on the add to the cart, after that, you will get the successful addition of the course to the cart. After this, you will click on the buy now button. When you click on the buy now button, there is a interface for there are two options. One is the Stripe and another one is the Easy Pass. When you click on the Stripe and fill all the required field of the Stripe, after that, when you click on the submit button. When you click on the submit button, after that, go to your login section on the top right corner and click on the order history. When you click on the order history, you will find that in your order there is a course, Mathematics Paper 1 course. When you click on this course in your order history, you will get this interface. In the course content section, there are two icons. One is for the PDF, which contains the solution of each question, and other one is the video icon, which contains the video file for the solution of the question in detail, step by step. So for each question of the course, you will find the PDF file and video file. Best of luck. See you in the next session of the OA level.